Okay. Oh, Huggy. Ah, it's right there! Jump! No! Huggy's getting us! Run for Huggy! Huggy Wuggy. Oh no, it's getting me now. Huggy, we can talk about this. What? No. Oh. Shark! Shark! Ah! Thanks. Ah, the shark! The shark! Yes! First time I actually complete the shark. Yo. Yeah, that was insane. Touch. Do not fall. Dude, I'm not a noob. Oh, maybe I am a noob. Collect the coins. Mine! Oh no! Okay. Oh. No, 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 no! No, 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 no. I'm stuck. No, please! Button. Oh no, 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 wait, think about this, think about this. Wait. Oh, my God. He only wants a drink. We can talk about this. Wait. Oh, wow. No, not again. It's coming. No. We can talk about this. Wait. Check that. What does purple potion do? That almost got me. Yawn! Wait a minute, what's this? I've never seen this before. Strange. Okay. I'm just gonna stay here and chill. It's not fun, I'm gonna bounce. Wait! Move! I'm following what? What in the skibbity? Okay, I'm gonna aim for the button. Okay, I'm right above the button, I think. Go. Then. Go. I'm gonna go on it. Will we stop? Oh, I'm glad I did not go on it. I'm glad I fell actually. Tacos! It's raining tacos from out the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Out the street. Only OGs know the song. Be the last one standing. Okay, that's a simple task. Okay, I'm gonna be the last one standing. I'm still standing. Yeah. Oh, you think you're so OP? Let's give up. Yo. I'm not standing too. Oh, never showing no one. It's time to be the last one standing. no, I'm so tired. No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, wait, wait. Oh, wait, I know the song. Oh, wait. Or rocks. Ah! Those are more like meteors. Wait, not again. Okay, that's easy. Oh, no. Wait. Think about this. We could talk about this. Wait. Oh my god. Monchindeon. Oh, good. What's that? We could talk about this. Oh, I guess I'm the only one that won. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here and relax. Okay, finally you came. Jeff? Wait, who's that? Oh no, it's Jeff. Run! Wait, I have a genius idea. Hey Jeff, hiya! Wait, yo! No, Lord Jeff. This, not gonna lie, this game is kinda boring. What group happened? Now! Yes! My coin! Boom! I'm gonna get it. Back door. What's that? Oh, hell no. What's the sound? Oh my god. Oh my god! Jumpity jump, jumpy. No! What was it fast? Jumpity jump, jumpity jump. Okay. Do I look like a kid? Ooh. I know I lost it. Bruh. Okay. We'll do this item. I need the item. If I get the item, I will be the most overpowered in the universe. Please. No! I'll just try again. What is skibidi? Okay guys, this is gonna be a final part. Okay guys, next round is the final round of this video, okay? And if it's already boring, I'm ending it, okay? You hear me? I think you heard me. Bro, can this end? Yo, skibidi! Yes. What rocks? No, not again. What the?